regularly receive stock alerts on my WhatsApp, and if I'm interested in the headline and the description, then I can view the full news too directly from my WhatsApp. And do you think someone is sitting at the back end and sending me these stock alerts manually? No, I have created this amazing automation which is going to send me stock alerts on WhatsApp automatically. So let's see how you can also create this for yourself. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. The discount coupon code is RITYT. So use this yourself. And now we're on the workflow builder, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, you have to search for RSS by Pabbly. This is a very useful feature. I'll just let you know why. Now for the event, you have to select it as new item in feed and click on this connect. It is asking for the feed URL. So to get this feed URL, first of all, you have to make sure the publishers for which you want to get the feed URL off. So you can use any publisher like the Economic Times, the Hindu, Times of India, and so on. What you have to do, you have to open a new tab, go on the search bar and type Times of India RSS feed, and automatically the RSS feed of Times of India will appear. Same goes for the rest of the publishers too, like Hindustan Times. You can use Economic Times, the Hindu, and so on. I am just going to use the Hindu RSS feed, so I'm just going to type the Hindu RSS feed and open the first URL. Now this is the RSS feed of the Hindu, and over here we have categories. Over here you have to look for the category of markets and go on that. Now this feed is stock market news, and it is going to keep me stay up to date with all the latest news about Sensex, Nifty, BSE, NSE, Indian stock market, global stock market from the Hindu. Okay, so now what you have to do, we have to just copy this URL and paste it right over here in our workflow. For the filter type, keep it as recommended, which is default, and click on this save and send test request. Now you're going to see that we have received this title, which is the news title. We have received the link of the news, we have received the date, publishing date and time, and the description of the news. Now we are just going to send an automated WhatsApp message using these details. Okay, so let's just move on further. But before we move on further, I'll just let you know that RSS feed by Pabbly is a pooling based application. So pooling based application means that this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time to check for the new data, and over here in the case of RSS by Pabbly, it is saying the trigger will check for the new data in undefined time. Okay, so we have to define this time. For that, just left click on this and go on this set trigger time. So you can keep the minimum time as 10 minutes and maximum as 24 hours. I want the latest news details instantly, so I'm going to keep it as 10 minutes and then save. Now RSS by Pabbly is going to check for the new news every 10 minutes, fetch the news and send it to me over WhatsApp. So easy and helpful, right? Now what you have to do, click on this add new action step, and now let's just set up WhatsApp message. So you can use any platform to send automated WhatsApp message like AI Sensi, Vati, WhatsApp Cloud API, or you can also use Pabbly Chat Flow. I am going to use Pabbly Chat Flow, so let's just search for Pabbly Chat Flow and select the same right over here. Now I have a special discount coupon code for you if you want to use Pabbly Chat Flow. This discount coupon code can get you a heavy discount not only on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect but also Pabbly Chat Flow. And remember, the discount coupon code is RITYT. Now you have to select the event right over here, which is send text message, and click on this connect. After you click on this connect, you have two options: add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you want to create a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, and if you haven't created right now, then you have to click on this add a new connection, and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just follow the help text. Log into your Pabbly Chatflow account. You're going to find the hyperlink. Just click on that. You're going to come on the all Pabbly apps page, go on Pabbly Chatflow and click on this access now. And when you're going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of your Pabbly Chatflow account. And once the dashboard is open, you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, I've already added my WhatsApp number. If you want to learn how to add a WhatsApp number, you're going to find the video right over here. You can just click on this to watch the tutorial and learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. It is very easy. Okay, after you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this settings, and then you have to go on this API and webhooks. You're going to find this API token, so just copy this API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this, click on this save, and your Pabbly Chatflow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to enter the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So you have to enter the mobile number of you, because right over here you are going to receive the WhatsApp messages, right? So I've entered the mobile number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. This is going to remain same, so make sure that you enter the correct mobile number, and you have to make sure that when you're going to enter the mobile number, it should include the country code and without the plus sign. After entering the mobile number, it is asking for the WhatsApp message. So I'm just going to open my previous workflow, and over here I have this WhatsApp message which says market update alert, the headline, and then read the full news. Stay tuned for more real-time market updates. I'm just going to copy this full, and I'm just going to paste it right over here. After we paste it over here, I am just going to simply enter the details. First of all, let's just correct the format over here, and after that we're just going to move on further and enter the details like the headline, then description, and then the full news. But over here's a hack that you don't have to enter all of these details by typing it like this manually, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So the headline, description, and URL will change with every new response received. Rest the details will remain same. So I'm just going to map only these three details. In order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the detail, and map it like this. I've mapped all of these three. Now it is asking me for many another details, but all of these are not required. If you wish, you can definitely fill it in. Same goes for the keys. If you want, you can definitely fill it in, and if you don't want to fill this, you have to switch on this mapping button and delete whatever is written right over here and click on this save and send test request. Once you're going to click on this save and send test request, you're going to see it is saying success message is sent. Okay, so let's just open our WhatsApp and check for the new message. So as you can see, we have recently received a new message, and over here in this new message we have the market update alert. This is the headline, the description, and the read full news. Now every 10 minutes this workflow is going to run. RSS by Pabbly is going to fetch for the new news, and we're going to receive the alert of the same on our WhatsApp. Like this, I can stay up to date directly from my WhatsApp because I open my WhatsApp regularly, right? And I can check the news directly from there. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.